Hey, this is Tori Wilkerson with You Break Chains, and today we're making a surgical mask out of paper towel, rubber bands, and staples. Okay, so it's a real simple origami project. Let's get started. You're going to take a half a sheet of a paper towel, not a full sheet, but a half a sheet of a paper towel. All right, because if you take a full sheet and try to do this project, it's going to look weird. Okay, and then you're going to do something I call a fan fold. Okay, a fan fold is just you're going to take the end of the paper towel, this bottom end, and you're going to just fold it up like this. Okay. All right, and then you're going to take it and flip it over and fold it again, the same width of the last fold that you did. Okay, then you're going to take it, flip it back over, and do the same kind of fold again. Once again, the same width as the last fold. Then, of course, as you can guess, you're going to flip it back over and do another fold, the same width. Okay, flip it back, fold it again, and fold it one last time, and then you should have a strip of paper towel like this. Okay, that's when you stop folding. You have a strip of paper towel, just like this. Okay. Then the next step is you're going to take your rubber band and put it on the end of the paper towel like that. Okay? And then you're going to take the end of the paper towel and fold it over the rubber band. All right? Like this. Okay, so it's going to look like that. All right, real simple. And then I'm going to take my stapler. If you don't have a stapler, you can use tape at this point. All right, but if you're going to use tape, make sure you use a good amount of it so that the rubber band doesn't come off when you put on the surgical mask. Okay, I'm going to use a stapler. Okay, so take your stapler and put it in position like this. And then staple. And then you're going to turn it around and you're going to put a staple on the other side right there. So you're going to have two staples. Okay. Let's put the other staple in. A little difficult. This small stapler is sometimes annoying to deal with, but I like using it for some reason. Okay. All right. So now we're going to put another staple in. Okay. So now I have my rubber band and I have two staples. Okay. These two staples give the surgical mask a lot of strength. All right. When you put it on, these rubber bands that go around your ears, it makes it really strong so that the mask won't come off when you put it on. Okay. So you need at least two staples. Okay. Now, you're going to do the same thing to this side that you did on the other side. All right. So we'll take another rubber band, put it on like that. We're going to take this end of the paper towel strip and fold it over the rubber band. Okay. Take it. Just fold it right on over. Okay. Just like that. Okay. Next, we're going to take our stapler. Like I said, if you don't have a stapler, you can use tape at this point. Just make sure you tape it really good, and so that the rubber band doesn't come off when you put the mask on. All right, so I take my stapler. I'm going to put it in position, and I'm going to make a staple. All right. Got one, but remember we need two. So I'm going to flip it around like that and put another staple on this end. You need at least two staples. See if I can get it on. All right, that's good. Now I staple. Boom. I got two staples. All right, and my rubber band. All right, so this is pretty strong. When you put the mask on, you'll see these rubber bands are pretty strong, and they go around your ears. Okay. The next step is we're going to simply unfold the paper towel, grab it by the middle, and just pull. Okay, don't pull too hard. No need to pull hard. Just lightly and gently pull it open. All right. And there you go. You got a paper towel surgical mask. All right, and these work really well. Okay, they actually work just like regular surgical mask. You can make as many as you want. You can design the front and make the mask look unique. You know, you can sell them for about $1 or so, because they don't have them in stores anymore. They actually have sold out of surgical masks. So you can sell them for about $1, you know, make a little money during this time. And at the same time, you'll be helping people. All right. And so this is a pretty simple project. If you're having problems with this project, you can just leave a comment and I'll try to answer any questions you might have. But this is a pretty simple and straightforward project. And it's very practical because you can, after you make it, you can actually use it when you have to go outdoors. All right. And so this is Tori Wilkerson with You Break Chains, and I want to make these things known to you. And remember, to have more, you must become more. Peace.